Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of streaming from OBS to TikTok. Yep, you heard it right. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to grab your TikTok stream key and server URL. Don't worry, it's easy. Launch the TikTok app on your phone and select the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Select the live option. Choose your live stream title and any filter effects you'd like to add. Select the PC or console option underneath the Go Live button. You'll see your TikTok stream key and server URL. You'll need to enter these in OBS later. You can either copy them and paste them to a text file on your phone, then send it to yourself so you can access it on your computer, then paste them into OBS. Or you can simply write them down by hand, then type them into OBS. Now, switch over to your OBS software. Once you're in OBS, click on File, then select Settings. Next, navigate to the Stream tab. Here, select Custom from the Service drop-down menu. Input the server URL and stream key that TikTok provided you earlier. Hit Apply, then OK, and you're all set. And just like that, you're ready to stream from OBS to TikTok. Don't forget to hit that like button. And hit that subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.